train that just passed, so now we're chasing it. Probably either up to where we see the Amtrak often, or else to Waverly. We have a red light here. Never mind, it turned green. But so yeah, I'll film again once we get to the engines. Oh well, okay, so yeah, and oh my gosh, look at that crop duster plane right over the highway. That's pretty cool.
It is cool.
Lucky I kept filming. We just saw that. Oh man. So the camera just fell down. So but I'm not sure how much it caught of that, but yeah, there was that crop duster that just went over the highway. So should we chase it to Waverly? Okay, so we're gonna chase it to Waverly.
I think it's gonna stop.
Yeah, it may stop. Oh, there's another train up here with some sort of CP power, and NS, and BNSF.
You want me to pull over here so we can see those trains?
Yeah, so never mind, we're just gonna turn in here and look at this Lashup of 3 different railroads. So here we go. Okay, so here's the DPU. It looks like it, yep, SD70 Mac. And then there's that other train with Norfolk Southern and CN Power. Oh man, the CN unit is SD40-2F. Okay, so he just turned on his ditch lights. He's likely gonna move forward any minute now. Here it comes now. There we go. And here they are, two ST-70 Aces. Here's just 4 units, so yeah. Okay, so here's a better shot of it. Also, one of them is a city rail. So yeah, looks like a ES44 C4 ES44 AC ST-70 Max, and Dash 9. So yeah, now the train's moving. Here's those 4 units again. Along with that train with the CP unit. So, here's a BNSF coal train now. Okay, so as you can see down there are those 4 units. And also, look what we have right there. Another coal train. It's like rapid fire. They just keep coming. Look at that. That's a weird car. I haven't seen one of those ever. Something different. We're out at the airport, and I noticed this 747 that's been flying around, and they keep doing this little touch and go thing. So I'm gonna watch it come and take back off. So yeah. Here it comes, right about to touch the ground in like 10 seconds. Hard to see with all of these other planes there. And I believe it's on the ground. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the end of today's video, and yeah, goodbye.